Hey you guys, so today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video, unboxing my tripod. Like that? So yeah, I'm doing that and yeah, so I tried to do on my camera, my GoPro camera, but that didn't work out. I was like, let me just stop before I break it. So I tried opening this. I did open this already. Not like the whole thing, but like the top part, this part. So the rest is special. So it's a white cardboard, it looks like. I hope it's already put together because I really don't want to put this together. I don't like putting stuff together. But probably I'm gonna have to. Oh no, wait. Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh my god. Okay, so you guys, this is the tripod. And this, I think, is for your phone because you could put it on your phone too. Yeah, this is for your phone. On the camera. I mean, on the thing it says that, and then you put that. So, I'm a real YouTuber now. Okay. I like this. I'm going to be putting my phone on this now. Because I didn't set up this, so let's see. What is this? What is this? I don't know what this is, like this and stuff, so I'm just gonna put it in this plastic bag. Screw this because I was screwing this part. So yeah, now like let's go for the final thing. I'm gonna show you guys in the mirror with my phone and what it looks like. So and I'm back. So I'm back with my tripod, you guys. Like, look, it's so flexible and stuff. But I gotta be careful with this phone because wait. I'm happy. I gotta be careful with the phone because I took off the case and this right here is glass and then the back of it is glass. So, and yeah, my phone shattered last time when I dropped it. Well, I had a case on, but like now I have a case on with the whole back. Like it covers the whole phone so it won't break. So now I have like a protected thing because I had it, the last case I had was like only covered the back, but I still had the screen protector, but my phone shattered like Willis, and this is supposed to be an unbreakable phone, they said, and it shattered. Like, you guys, so it wasn't shattered, it was like cracked bad, like it was like this, but like it wasn't like that, like shattered. But I think the shattered one is better than that one. So like, yeah, just to point that out, it wasn't like shattered like that. So like, what, like, trying to make it flexible, trying to make it work, trying to make it stay. But like, don't mind my dancing, but like, If you want me to see me dance more, you gotta follow my Dumbsmash, like, yes. But look, y'all, I'm gonna be doing pranks like this. I'm gonna be like, yes. Now wait. So, like, yeah, you guys. Oh, but I'm gonna do a room tour, probably. A room tour, and then I'm gonna do a bath tour because I'm tired now. Then I'm gonna do a bathroom tour because the bathroom is beach theme, and then like, but look at this beach theme thing I got. Don't mind the towel. It's my boogie board, and I was like, oh my god, the beach theme. I want to put it in my bathroom, but I don't know where it will go in my bathroom, because my bathroom is only like yay big. I mean, like, it's big, but like you know, like, it's not that big. So it's medium sized. So yeah, I may be doing a room tour probably after this or something. And this was just like to what was it? This was like to just to post something, you guys, and post me unboxing something. So bye. Oh wait, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and turn the post notification on to get notified every time I post something. So bye.